any claims and objection, I can file my claim. Take that come out that I'm not ignorant because of adversity.
No. Now there are some people staying in the rental places. Now they have been shifted, and now shifting and her name is there on the letter roll. Is it to be deleted or to be kept?
थोडे पेपर स्टाफ आशिल्लो तितलो 80% 90% स्टाफ तुमी काडला
दोन लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स फेस करचे पडटा सध्या तेंची कामां जायना
कितले स्टाफ आसा आनी कितले काडपाचे हेचेर अशें विचार
प्रत्येक इयरून ऑर्डर काडले इश्यूज केल्ले आसा सो अश्यो जर कितें आसा डिपार्टमेंटान जर आमकां इन्फॉर्म केला जाल्यार वी ट्राय टू रिजॉल्व इट
लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स फेस करचे पडटा स्पेशली फातोर्डा RTO जे PTC कडेन आसा थंय जर गेले जाल्यार ते म्हणटा स्टाफ अवेलेबल ना ह्या सायराक घातल्या
सायर चालू असले कारणान स्टाफ हो लागताच आता थोडे हेजे खातीर इनकन्विनियन्स जाल्ले आसपाक शकता जर आमकां डिपार्टमेंटान इन्फॉर्म केला जाल्यार आमी रिजॉल्व करतले अशें कितें आसा
आज आमी येयल्ले मेळपाक BLA 2 मिटींग आसली आज आनी सगळे कलेक्टर बी अटेंड केल्ले तेणी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिला ओनली रिगार्डिंग फातोर्डा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी ते म्हणटा आतां इट्स क्वायट सरप्रायझिंग आं टोटल वोटर्स आसा 31,040 ऑफ विच नाव दे हॅव ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड 21,924 रिसीव्ड आनी डिजिटलायज अपलोडूय केले म्हणटा नाव दिस इज क्वायट अ फिशी नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आनी तितूंतले 8661 मॅप्ड केले 6180 मॅप्ड एज प्रोजेक्ट 534 आर क्लासिफाईड एज डेथ but the good information is for the BLA tools they can personally go and collect the forms from their particular parts so they want to worry so at least you know that your forms will be given to the right person and they will be uploaded so please requesting everybody to reach out to the BLA tools or even BLA 1 and mai kiti manta that there will be a time given if your name is not on the if you have not received the enumeration forms this is not the end was atlo draft roll and then the claims and objections will be filed so घेवपाची गरज ना म्हणपाची but it's a long procedure no it's very stressful and case by case they will take the uncollectible forms such as matter asa no they will take it case by case and you can also fill the enumeration forms online so please kona mache tras padta they can please go ahead and fill the online forms and the BLA ones will be the responsible people to meet the ERO and ARO.
तेंच्यांनी सांगला की सगळ्याक इन्फॉर्मेशन सारकी पावल्या सरा बद्दल तुमकां दिसता लोकांक पब्लीक अवेअर जाल्या अवेअरनेस जाला
कितें जाता देर इज अ प्रॉब्लम वेर पीपल आर नॉट स्टेइंग इन देयर हाउसेस सो कम्युनिकेशन देर इज अ गॅप हांवें एक स्पेसिफीक क्वेश्चन विचारलें बिकॉज ते मरे नोटीस मारयताराचे सेइंग दॅट वी हॅव कम and we have tried to reach you 3 times. My simple question was, after the 3 times, then what happens? Will those names get deleted? That is my question. They are saying no, they can file claims. I mean, if you all are going to file claims and objections, you all will be sending this to the same residents. Now, then they are saying no, the BLO and the BLA should work in coordination and find out. You all should have some data, fixed data, mobile number, konalo. You all have all the details, Aadhaar card, voters, there will be a number, no, try reaching out to those people. That is the solution. They are saying it is a local support. Everybody should work together.